Puppetry in India. A puppet is one of the most remarkable and ingenious inventions of man. It has been said that a puppet has to be more than his live counterpart, for it is definitely the suggestive element that is more captivating and enduring in a puppet. Almost all types of puppets are found in India. Puppetry throughout the ages has held an important place in traditional entertainment. Like traditional theatre, themes for puppet theatre are mostly based on epics and legends. Puppets from different parts of the country have their own identity. Regional styles of painting and sculpture are reflected in them. Stories adapted from Puranic literature, local myths and legends usually form the content of traditional puppet theatre in India, which in turn imbibes elements of all creative expressions like painting, sculpture, music, dance, drama, etc. The presentation of puppet programs involves the creative efforts of many people working together. Puppets, as you know, are a type of traditional media. It is one of the most important traditional media, believed to be the oldest form of popular theatre in India. The term Sutradhar, that is string holder in theatre, is derived from puppetry. The art of puppetry is popular both as a means of education and entertainment. The puppet can impart lessons on health, agriculture, literacy, employment, rural youth activities, etc. There are many types of puppetry. String puppetry originated in Rajasthan. Glove puppets, the source is unknown as to where it originated. Rod puppets originated from Orissa and Tamil Nadu. Shadow puppet originated in Kerala and Orissa. Local dialects, active participation of local people, and everyday and familiar situations make puppetry highly impactful if used in the right manner. Let us now come to the chapter on puppetry and see some of the different kinds of puppet shows that were performed throughout India and in different states. The four major types of puppetry are string, shadow, rod and glove. Yampuri. This is the name of the traditional rod puppet from Bihar. They are made of wood and these puppets are in one piece. They don't have any joints and so require higher skill to move. Putul Nach. This puppetry is from West Bengal. The puppets usually about the height of 1 meter and are tied to the waist of the puppeteer with a bamboo rod. The puppeteers hide behind a full-length curtain, move in the same way that they want the puppets to move, while they sing and deliver dialogues. Khundai. This form of puppetry has its roots in Odisha. These puppets have no legs and wear long flowing skirts. The puppets have multiple joints which make them easy to move in different ways. Bomalatam. This puppetry is found in Tamil Nadu and these puppets are the heaviest and the biggest puppets among all the traditional Indian puppet forms. They often reach to a height of 1.5 meter and they are moved with the help of both strings and rods. Ravan Chaya. This is a form of shadow puppetry which originates in Odisha. The puppets are actually made out of large blocks of wood and they do not have any joints. They are also made of deer skin. They are not covered and hence throw opaque shadows on the screen and usually have dramatic poses. In addition to human and animal characters, many props such as trees, mountains and chariots are also used in this form of puppetry. Tholu Bomalata. In this form of puppetry, which originated in Andhra Pradesh, the puppets are large in size and have jointed waists, shoulders, elbows and knees. They are colored on both sides, front and back. The themes of these puppet shows are taken mostly from episodes in the Ramayana and Mahabharata. Let us now look at a quick quiz based on puppetry. Here you can see the first one. The name of the Indian painter who won the Padma Bhushan and is also known as the Picasso of India. M.F. Hussain. Name the Padma Bhushan winning architect and planner from Goa who is sensitive to the needs of the urban poor . He is known for using traditional methods. Charles Correa. Name the renowned Marathi playwright who first earned fame for his famous play Shantata Court Chalu Ahe. Silence, the court is in session. It is by the renowned Marathi playwright Vijay Tendulkar. Name the Padma Bhushan winning singer who came to be known as the Ghazal King, who also composed memorable music for films like Earth. Jagjit Singh. So here we have done a short quiz and about puppetry in India. Thank you. I hope you have liked the video. Please subscribe and press the bell icon to remain updated with the latest videos. Thank you.